We're watching financials ahead of the Fed decision. They are holding steady today following a volatile month of the sector. Regional banks have been hit especially hard. That group is down more than 25% in March, and that's creating opportunity for our investment committee. Steve Weiss, you're initiating a position in KeyCorp and adding to Bank of America and Goldman.
Yeah, so let's talk about KeyCorp first. So I bought the stock, it's trading just 6 times earnings with a 7% yield. So maybe the yield gets cut in half, even though I don't think it will. But I went through what's available, public data. It looked pretty reasonable to me. The CEO came on CNBC. I don't think he lied, said they're picking up deposits, that they've managed the risk well. And so I thought it was a pretty good opportunity. It's not a big position. It's not as small as a very speculative position, but it's always been a high-quality bank. So that's what I bought. I thought it was an unusual opportunity to get this at a significant discount. In terms of BofA and Goldman, 2 different stories. I'd cut back both positions substantially, as I'd mentioned a number of months ago. And I thought they just got to compelling levels to buy them. Goldman, with the I believe is going to, well, the IPO market, I don't think is coming back anytime soon. I believe that the companies that were borrowing money from Silicon Valley Bank are now going to have to do equity offerings. So not all of them are going to stay in business, but there'll be more of an opportunity to do that. So Goldman, look, they know how to manage both their balance sheet and both their prop book. So I just believe that when you can get something at that kind of discount, that you have to do it when it's quality bank, quality management.
Liz, what's your take on the banks? I mean, is there a substantial difference between the big banks and the regional banks right now when it comes to investability? Obviously, the balance sheets are different, but investability.
Look, even if the banks don't end up being the big problem here, I think at this point in the cycle, they're patient zero. And they're going to continue to be sort of guilty by association if we continue to have headlines until this all kind of bakes through. I do think you have to be choosy in the sector, and there's going to be, I think, more regional banks that we get headlines about. So this is a time where when we have these little rallies, and look, full disclosure, I was pretty positive on financials coming into this. That changed very quickly a couple of weeks ago. If you get these little rallies, that's a chance for, if you have broad exposure to financials, you don't want to paint with a broad brush here. You have to be specific. I think those are opportunities to sell your broad exposure, or at least trim it. But I think you can be choosy and own some financials. I just wouldn't be telling people to buy into volatility. I would still wait this out. I think that if we do have a downturn, you're going to see the cyclicals, including financials, get hit harder, and that's a better entry point. And then I think they're the ones that lead us back out of it. Usually the ones that get hit the hardest are the catalyst on the way in, and they bounce the biggest on the way out.
All right, Joe, you got Bank of America and Morgan Stanley. Thinking about trimming, standing pat right now?
No, I'm okay with Bank of America and Morgan Stanley. I think to Liz's point on the regional banks, you want to stay higher up in market cap, look at super regionals, PNC, USB. But we have not passed the point of stress and potential contagion for the banks. Look at today, and I believe you'll look at overall at the indexes, you need there to be a degree of healing, and like yesterday, the financials to be strong. The financials are not strong today. In particular, real estate, which, let's remember, real estate used to be included in the financial sector. Real estate in the last 5 days as a sector is down 4.5%. That's the worst performance of the 11 major S&P sectors. So I think it's important to understand and observe what's going on in the real estate sector. It's part of the financial institutions. And for the market really to accelerate from here, you have to have the type of formation that we had yesterday, where you saw financials giving the strength to the market.